Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I got a question from a user, viewer of the channel that was wondering while looking at one of my videos, how come, my taskbar, even my start menu, everything has this blue hue to it, this blue color to it. And he was wondering, what did I do to have these colors? It's simple. It's a feature that in Windows 11 is one that I always activate because I find it cool for my Windows operating system to actually follow the background color. So in my case right now, I've been using this wallpaper for quite a while. I usually have several different wallpapers going through every day. So it's fun to see the changes that go with it. But the feature is simple. Is if you go into the settings app and you go into personalization, one of the options that you'll see is colors. When you go to color, you'll see that, first of all, I turned on the transparency effect and I actually put accent color automatic. Why? Because by putting it automatic, I have actually the sliders here show accent color on start and taskbar. It's on, and show accent color on title bars and Windows borders on. So what are accent colors? Accent colors actually follow the general color of your wallpaper. So if your wallpaper, in this case, it has more blue than anything else, so the accent color changed to blue. So my taskbar changed to blue. My start menu changed to blue. And that's because it just follows the background color that I have here. So this is where it all happens. I simply follow the colors that my background is giving me. If you don't want to have that option, you can actually put that at manual and choose an accent color of your own. So for example, I could choose this color here, rust. Here we go. Now this is rust and my start menu is rust and it follows that color now. If you, of course, have a changing wallpaper, it's going to evolve with the changing wallpaper when you put it to automatic. Once again, automatic will give you the background, again, following the background colors of the pictures you have. So if in the background your wallpaper has more yellow, then things are going to be yellowish. If it has orange, it will be orangish. If it's green, more green than anything else, it's going to be green. And so it's fun. I actually find it fun, particularly for a changing wallpaper. When you have one of those slideshows that the wallpaper changes every 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's kind of cool to have the accent color also follow the background color. Something I kind of enjoy. Do note that choosing these options, if you have an older PC, might slow down your PC somewhat. So this is something to remember. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.